Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up a static IP address in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To set up a static IP address in Windows 10, you can do the following. Log in to Windows with an administrator account. Press Windows R key, then type ncpa.cpl, then hit enter. Double-click Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, which you want to change. Then select the Properties option. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 option. Click the Properties button. Now you can set the static IP address for the adapter. For example, you can follow my steps. Click the OK button, click the Close button again. Same steps you can try for Windows 11 also. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.